the Great Debate. So, what exactly was this majestic spiral? For decades, that question sparked one of the most intense arguments in the history of science, known as the Great Debate. In 1920, two prominent astronomers, Harlow Shapley and Heber Curtis, went head-to-head at the Smithsonian Museum of Natural History. Shapley, a brilliant and forceful personality, argued that our Milky Way galaxy constituted the entire universe. His evidence was his recent work on globular clusters, which showed the Milky Way was vastly larger than previously thought. He believed these spiral nebulae were simply gas clouds swirling within its boundaries. On the other side, Heber Curtis argued for a much grander cosmos. He championed the radical idea that these were distant island universes. Curtis pointed to the greater number of novae, exploding stars, in Andromeda compared to the rest of the Milky Way, calculating they must be incredibly distant to appear so faint. He also noted the presence of dark dust lanes in Andromeda that looked strikingly similar to those in our own galaxy. This wasn't a minor academic disagreement, it was a fundamental clash over the scale of existence itself, a debate that defined an entire era of astronomy while awaiting a definitive answer.